This short video tutorial will show you how to utilize the AirNow.gov website for air quality information, especially when you get into situations where you're dealing with wildfire smoke. So we're now on AirNow.gov, and we can go ahead and enter in a city or a state or a zip code. We'll go ahead and select a location here, the town of Essex, Vermont, and now you get the reading. It's 202 for an air quality index, which is in the very unhealthy category. Those are the purple colors, and then the unhealthy category is that orange reddish color. And so you can always change your location by putting in a different zip code, city, or state. You can also get kind of a quick map view if you scroll down, and it shows the current air quality across the region. Again, the red being areas of unhealthy category, and the purple area is for values that are reaching the very unhealthy category. So you can get a quick map view that way. If we go back to the main page, if we want to look at where might that fire or smoke be, we can click on the fire and smoke map, and now it'll initialize, and then we can go ahead and zoom back out, and you see all the sensors across the area. Green meaning the good air quality, but then you start getting into the reds and the purples, and that's when you get into the unhealthy and very unhealthy conditions. You can zoom into a particular location and select that. So for example, we click Burlington, Vermont, and we see the 202 air quality index, which is in the very unhealthy category. We can also go ahead and go to monitors near me. This is similar to that interactive map. Again, now it will actually display values of all the monitors across the region, so you can quickly see what value they are. And you can see again the red and purple stations for the unhealthy and very unhealthy categories, and in the good air much further to the south. And again, you can zoom in on a particular location and select that, and now you'll get specific information for that particular location, as well as letting you know exactly where that sensor is. And then finally, we can go ahead and look at trends. And if we select recent trends, in this case for Essex Junction, we can see over the last 24 hours how we started out with good air quality, and then this afternoon it began to deteriorate, reaching unhealthy level, and by late this afternoon, and then reaching the very unhealthy levels this evening. So that is just a quick way to access information about air quality, especially when you have these wildfire smoke situations impacting your region.